What's up everyone, this is Invest for More, and in today's video I want to talk about Cardano and Casper. What's the difference between them on the chart, on the previous data what we have, and yeah, we're gonna see where is Casper today. We're gonna see where was Casper before 2017 pump, before that bull run, and let's jump into the information. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As you can see here, I have 584 subscribers. Like the video, comment below if you have any questions, let me know, and share the video with your friends. Now I am on coinmarketcap.com. I'm gonna go to historical snapshots. Let me see 2017, 2016, 2017, before the pump, before December. Let me see November 19. I just want to see where they were at that time. Let me search by the name ADA. Oops, ADA. Really? Where is it? Oh, there. It was on 18. Okay. They had in circulation 25 billions. Whoa. Circulation supply 25 billions. Yeah. And all we have right now in circulation, it's 1.4 billions. So guys, good news is gonna happen, and when we gonna reach that good news with mobile wallet, with new listing, with a DEX on Casper, it's gonna be huge, guys. Also a bridge in between Ethereum and Casper, it's gonna be life-changing, guys, if you invest right now. Okay, so ADA was a 728 millions market cap in 2017 November, and the price was 0.0228, so 2 cents. Okay, and let me click on it and see. Okay, now I'm gonna go to that date, not year to date. I just want to see 2017. Yes, so as you can see over here, it's November, and they had 0.02 cents the price, and the market cap, I want to see the market cap. Okay, 728 millions. Okay, in November 18, but then in December, actually in January 3rd, they hit 28 billion market cap. Okay, so in this really short term, it's in let's say in less than 2 months, 28 billions in less than 2 months, it's huge number, guys. So of course, I think, in my opinion, it's gonna pump first. It's gonna pump Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these big players already, and then that profit, a little bit step by step, it's gonna pump Casper. It's gonna pump altcoins, you know what I mean. And Casper, it's one of the biggest altcoin I'm holding right now. I'm gonna go to Casper. Okay, year to date. I know, guys, we had a pump here at the launch. It's true. Can't say anything. I mean, I can say I knew about this deep. I knew it's gonna go lower because of inflation, a lot of inflation, and as you can see over here, was a moment to accumulate. When you see a deep like this and deep like this, and then some accumulation, you can see right here, it's an accumulation. You can visually see, that accumulation. And here, I think here I started first time to accumulate, here, somewhere here, and then again here, and before the pump I bought, and now I'm still accumulating. I bought some here, I bought some here, I sold some here, I bought some here again, you know what I mean. It's time for accumulate a lot, as much as you can, guys. Our market cap is 191 millions. With the value of Casper, it's so undervalued, guys. Cardano doesn't have even smart contracts, doesn't have a decentralized exchange. I know they have a mobile app, they have a web app, a web wallet, but that's good for us because we don't have a mobile wallet, we don't have a decentralized exchange yet, but this month, as I know, this month is gonna happen. Okay, so good news, it's on our side. As I know, Wise is gonna be one of the decentralized exchange. They are working on it, and for now I think we just need to 10x from here to hit $1. To hit $1, we just need 1.9 billions to hit $1, which, as you saw on Cardano, they hit 28 billions in a month and a half, a month less than a half. Okay, in the last bull run, 28 billions. Can you imagine that? 28 billions in 2017, when the exchanges were like blocked. You couldn't even make an account on exchanges. I remember that, I was there, but yeah, and they hit $1.1 and they had 28 billion circulation supply, 28 billion circulation supply, and we have 1.4. If we hit 20 billions market cap this bull run, which is possible, as we saw in Cardano 2017, okay, it's very possible with good news and all these green days, okay, and with 20 billions and this circulation supply, we're gonna have 100x from this price. Okay, so do you think it's possible this bull run to reach that 100x, like $10 per Casper, more than $10 per Casper right now? Actually, it's gonna be $14 per coin. Do you think it's possible this bull run? Comment below, please comment below what you think about this. In my opinion, yes, it's possible. In crypto, we're gonna see huge numbers. This inflation, current inflation in America, in the whole world, they are printing money as crazy, you know, and I think, in my opinion, it's gonna be possible. As I said before, we just need right now we need 1.9 billion to hit $1, and with 20 billions we're gonna hit $13. Okay, so anyway, guys, I'm staking my Casper. If you didn't check my video about how to stake Casper, it's right here, and earn passive income. You can earn passive income, guys. Okay, it's right here, my video. I'm staking them. Most of them I am staking because I have a bag for selling. If I see a growth, like parabolic growth from 10 cents, wherever we have right now 13 cents, to $1, I'm gonna withdraw this staking, you know. I'm gonna send to an exchange, and I'm gonna try to sell them, okay, and buy cheaper, because I want to accumulate as much as I can. Let me refresh the page and see. Okay, as you can see here, I have 101k of Casper coins. I earned about 769 Casper. I didn't start with 100k Casper, I started with 63,000 Casper. Now I'm earning about 2.49 every 2 hours. They are paying every 2 hours right now. So guys, if you want to earn passive income, if you don't want to trade, you know, and lose, maybe you can lose some Casper during the trading, you know, the better way is to earn passive income through staking. I have this bag for staking and another bag for trading, okay? But I'm not trading daily or something. No, when I see a big pump or a head and shoulders or something, let me go on the chart and show you something good growth like this. I'm gonna sell for sure. I'm gonna sell. But yeah, here I bought here, I didn't sold here. I had my bag for staking. I didn't have the time to unstake and sell there. But now I have a bag, special bag for kind of a pump. I'm gonna sell, and I'm gonna wait to drop. And yes, as you can see here, we have an accumulation phase. We are in an accumulation phase right now, guys. Let me see. So we had this pump, big pump, and now we are in accumulation. Okay, we're gonna shrink here. We're gonna shrink there, okay, and maybe we can see a pump somehow. Let me see, where can I get this from here? Should I go? Yeah, from here. Let me move this one. Actually, I'm 4 hours. Yeah, I'm on 4 hour. Let me move 1 day daily. Okay, we have this chart right here. Let me go. Okay, and I wanna delete this one. I don't like it how I did that. Let me delete this. And we have this. We have okay. I'm not gonna go on top. I'm gonna go like something. Nah. Gonna go right here. Oh, I don't like this pump. I hate it. $66. Come on. We can see something like this. Yeah. Actually, yes. Look at this. Oh, again. I think that's the best way to draw this. And we are seeing accumulation in this triangle right now. You see? Okay, maybe you can see here we're gonna hit the resistance. We're gonna come back, and maybe one more time here, and then pump. Okay, that's my play, in my opinion, because we are seeing right here, we are seeing this lower highs and higher. We'll see here how it's play. Maybe it's gonna play like this, and higher highs, but we'll see. We don't know how the market will play yet. We can speculate, but we cannot make 100% sure it's gonna go like this. Okay, now we'll see. But again, thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. What do you think, guys? It's gonna hit $13 this bull run, based on information you guys have from me, from other YouTubers, from the team, from Cardano in 2017. They hit $1 and 28 billions market cap, guys. From 800 millions to 28 billions, it's a huge number. Okay, so let me know, guys, what do you think about my predictions, my 100x thoughts on Casper, this bull run. And join our Telegram group, guys. You are more than welcome to join, and I'll see you guys over there. Bye.